All right, so I think it's done. Really close to being done anyways. Yeah, this took several months essentially from start to finish. There wasn't working on it the whole time, but this past week finally got to do the rail and little touch-ups and stuff. I had, spent the time working on this metal rail, and then a couple days doing this side, but no squeaks. Everything's solid. No rattle. And can't budge this. It's really well locked in. I did a little feature, made the bracket the same size as the door.